You're not calling anyone right now. You're not, because you're not free to.
Well, he has to come and get me.
We'll do
From
that
where?
all after the fact.
Yeah.
You're kidding.
No.
You didn't say that this was going to happen.
I didn't tell you were going to jail.
She said that. No.
Nobody
I said it will be after the fact of the
You said I
purchases
could
and
pay
everything.
for
They
it. I
gotta
could
do
pay for it.
paperwork. They just
Jason,
gave
what's
them
the? Do you know the work phone number here?
But that's not the
1980,
stuff that's on sale.
No, the phone number for here.
I didn't take that.
phone
much
number
stuff.
Work.
is 561-393-9100.
I didn't take that much stuff. It was on sale.
Okay. Well, you'll have your chance to say something in a minute, and I'll give you that. But I'm gonna speak with the loss prevention, and their sworn testimony is what I go off of.
Yeah,
So,
but
regardless
the
of
things
whatever it
that
is.
The things that are on sale now are much lower price.
Okay. So that's your justification for stealing. Is that what you're telling me?
No, it's not. It's
Is that what you're volunteering to me? Because I haven't read you Miranda yet,
No, it's
and I'm not asking you anything.
No, it's wrong to steal.
Okay.
It's
Let me see what you got. That's the receipt.
yeah.
Are these the items over here?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah.
Anything in here?
No.
Alright,
Okay, we'll write it down for you. Not now. Sit down.
Oh, I don't worry. Don't worry.
I'm always worried.
No, don't. You don't have to do that.
Well, no offense. I don't take people's opinions for it who are stealing stuff. I always worry. Stay out of your bag.
I want to get my husband.
Okay, we can tell you.
You don't do anything until I tell you to.
Okay.
Unless you want me to worry. And if I worry, I might react to your responses.
I'm not
You don't want that, right?
No,
Okay.
I do not.
So just sit tight and wait until I read this to you.
no. Oh yeah, 1.5.
Let's put everything back in order here. Okay. These are your constitutional warnings. Probably like every television show you ever heard, a little more detailed. I'm going to ask you to acknowledge each one as I read them to you, okay? You have the right to remain. Now that you understand your rights, as I have read them to you, do you wish to speak to me about this retail theft investigation? What?
Well, I was one of the person,
Okay.
and that's what they said after the discount. They're all discounted stuff, and I was ready to pay for it.
Okay. That's part of the process anyway. That's called civil restitution. You're required by state statute. They can come after you for that. But that has nothing to do with the criminal investigation and what's happening now.
I've never done anything before in my whole life. I don't have any record.
Okay. Do you want to speak about this investigation?
Yeah. Oh,
That's what she used to.
that's my system.
What do you do with these?
Cut the thing off.
Okay, you use these to cut them off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I would talk about this case with you.
So go ahead. So what happened?
And I'm
Why
sorry
did you take
for
some
it.
things?
I'm sorry for it.
You don't have money for it?
I do.
So why did you take it if you have money?
I don't have a lot, but I have enough to pay for this stuff.
Okay, so there's no reason you took it? Excitement?
Because I don't have, I don't know what it was. It's bad. It's not
Okay.
right for me to have done that.
All right.
Yeah,
They addressed you. You stopped with them. No problems, no complications?
no.
Okay. Do you have anything else you want to add to it? Is this the only items that were taken? There's a female officer coming out here to search you.
Yeah.
There's nothing else, right? So it's this skirt, it's this long dress,
Yeah.
and the 3 makeup?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that sweater's not part of it, is it, Mr. Small?
No.
Okay. All right. And would you conceal it in this bag?
Yes.
Did you bring this bag in on your own?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And it was empty?
Yes.
Okay.
There was one item I
So you more or less came here with a plan to take stuff because you had nothing to return either. Well, there was nothing in the Nordstrom's bag. You brought it in here, and that's what you used to conceal the items, right?
This is from Nordstrom. She took that from Nordstrom.
No, there was something else in there that I bought. Did you take the pencil?
No,
out?
it's in there.
There's a receipt in
The
there.
pencil right here. This is hers.
That's my receipt, and I put it in my bag.
Hello.
Okay.
I got my eyebrows done.
All right. So this is your personal property.
Yeah, we could put it back in. That was for my eyebrows also.
Yes, got that. I'm not going to take paper stuffings. Yeah, she's gonna check you out. Wait until you were given the instructions, please.
I know you're nervous.
March 16th, 2024, at approximately 11:39 a.m., I received a call from an associate within the cosmetics department alerting me to a female subject later identified to me as Deanna.
Okay.
The last time I don't recall it.
That's right.
Deanna, of which I picked up the subject within the cosmetics department. She was in the YSL department.
Picked her up how? By
Via
CCTV?
CCTV,
Okay.
I'm sorry. Via CCTV.
No problem.
Observing her within the YSL Cosmetics, after which she proceeded to the second floor women's department, the modern department,
Okay.
where she selected 2 items. One of the items was a white skirt with silver rhinestones mimicking stars. She tried to dress the skirt on the sales floor, after which she took it off and she pulled out a silver object out of her purse on the sales floor and cut the tags off of the skirt itself. When the tags was cut, she went ahead and placed the item within her Nordstrom shopping bag that she had on her person. She then proceeded to another area within the same department, selected a blue dress, of which she tried it on the sales floor, and then concealed on the sales floor into the white Nordstrom shopping bag.
Same thing. Did she cut the tag off again?
She didn't cut the tag off
Okay.
of this one. There were people in the area. At the time, I had my 2 API detectives. They were on the floor for floor surveillance, and it was witnessed floor surveillance and via CCTV.
Okay.
She then proceeded to the first floor. Once getting on the first floor, she exited through the north handbag doors, passing all points of sale, making no attempt to pay for the concealed merchandise within her Nordstrom shopping bag. When she exited, API Yomaira Alvarez then approached said subject and identified herself as Saks Fifth Avenue Asset Protection Investigator, and advised her she would need to speak to her regarding the concealed merchandise within her shopping bag.
Okay. You did not witness the concealment of the makeup in YSL. That was your associate?
Yes, it was an associate on the sales
Okay.
floor.
You were then clued in, right?
Yes.
From that point on, you are witnessing. Do you remember the time that she concealed the white skirt?
The time, I would say it was approximately 11:55, I would say. The white skirt.
Okay, how about the blue skirt?
The blue skirt was approximately 5 to 10 minutes later. So I would say probably 12:05.
Okay, and how about exiting the...
Exiting the store, she exited at approximately 12:15.
Okay.
Exited.
You guys are able to provide a copy of the CCTV?
Yes, we are able to do so.
All right, is there anything else you can think of that might help out with this case? No resisting?
No resistance. She didn't resist. When we got back to the office, when we opened the bag, pulled out the merchandise, she admitted to the theft.
Are these the scissors that you found that I was handed earlier?
Yes.
Is that what she used, do you think?
Yes, that's what she used.
Where did you find these?
It was inside of her purse.
Okay. If there's nothing else you can think of, then I'll be good with taking finishing the statement with that. Are you good with that? All right, we'll conclude this statement. It's 14:06 hours. Thank you very much.
Okay, turn on. One sec.
Good?
Yeah.
Do you want to grab her purse? And just move it from the seat. Place your hands behind your back. Behind your back.
You seriously?
We'll step outside the show.
I mean, you have shoplifted, so yeah.
With their handcuffs and everything.
Yeah, that's what happens when you.
Watch, I have a really bad wrist.
Okay.
You gotta-
Alright, go ahead and sit.
The only thing is I need my husband's number out of my cell phone.
Sit.
Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that afterwards. Yeah.
What's
He
the,
will tell me.
What's the,
It's 1900.
I'm gonna go get a bag. I'll be right back.
Just sit. We will give you instruction. Hang tight with her. I'll go put this in there and get my paperwork started. If you're right.
I'll bring when. How long you guys think you need for that? He's gonna.
If you could give us by 5 o'clock.
Okay.
Oh, so you want us to come back for that?
Yes. So
That's
we
fine.
just look at it
We'll just
and
take
make
that.
sure everything is.
All right, you can sit.
Just
Thank you.
No worries.
No
All right,
problem.
guys.
Yeah, thank you.
I'll
Sit
come,
it.
I'm probably not coming back today. I'll come back
That's
tomorrow
fine.
for it.
Yeah, somebody will be here, and we'll put it up where everybody knows where it is.
All right.
Thank you,
All
gentlemen.
right, guys.
No problem. Alpha
42.
We're gonna go at this door.
Okay.
White female 1015, 1410
It's not as embarrassing when you're going into the back way, so you don't have to walk through the front of the. I know.
Your feet are moving off from here. I can't tell. Is that a toe ring or is that your nail polish? Okay. I don't think people do that.
Yeah, they do.
Grip that.
I don't remember. Oh God, I have a really bad wrist.
Just kind of slide just like that. Yep. There you go.
No problem. How do you sit with these on?
Just like that. Just lean forward.
She was charged with grand theft and possession of an anti-shoplifting device. The case was nolle pros by the prosecutor.